Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. ADA is still consolidating. Yesterday we saw a small rally here. That was actually quite, I don't want to say promising because we didn't get a breakout, but it was actually something to look at, and there was a little bit of price action in this boring range that we're dealing with at the moment. But yeah, it didn't lead anywhere, so the price dipped back into the support. The parameters that we've been watching here, these support parameters, they remain unchanged. They are still defined between 32.3 cents and 29 cents. It's this support area here we're watching. And this is the support area for a corrective pullback where we are watching if the price can react either to the 38.2 Fib level, to the 50% Fib level, or here the 61.8 or the 78.6. There are 4 levels to watch. You can see there was already a reaction to the 38.2. The reaction was, I would say, quite positive. It was quite strong, but it didn't sustain, which makes it likely that we're going to test the next one, okay? So we always have to see, I mean, nobody can predict where the price will turn around, but we can add these levels to the charts, watch for reaction, take a look at the reaction, basically judge price action based on what it does. And if it doesn't sustain, then it's likely the lower levels will be tested. Okay, the correction is set to continue because we are not yet breaking out. And the breakout signal would be a break above 35.6 cents. That's the top of this wave 1 here. Any break above this line could indicate that a third wave rally to the upside is unfolding towards 43 cents. 43 cents or higher. That would be the first ideal target for a third wave. But for now, we should first of all pay close attention to the support parameters because this correction is still unfolding. No point focusing on a third wave rally if we are still in support. For now, we're just watching the correction. We expect lower prices still. Yeah, we are already in the support region, so the price could technically turn around at any point. It would be absolutely okay. The wave 2 is healthy enough. You know, this is this corrective move. The wave 2 is healthy enough to be considered, let's say, a wave 2. Sometimes they are so shallow you can't really believe them, right? You can't trust them. But this would be healthy enough already, also in time and duration. But all I can say is until we get a breakout above the wave 1 high, there's literally zero signal, there are no signs that a third wave has started. Everything that happens here in the range between the breakout point and the 78.6 retracement should be considered noise and signal noise. And the 29 cent level is key support. So that's what I'm watching, these parameters. I don't expect major movements on the weekend, I have to say. As I said, you know, I'm always happy to be surprised and impressed, but can't see it at this stage. And what I could see is possibly, I mean, in this white scenario, one second, just want to take that out. In the white scenario, a larger B wave is possible. So if we consider this wave 2 is an ABC structure, the A wave might have bottomed, the B wave might have topped yesterday, and now we're moving down in 5 waves. Yeah. On the other hand, the B wave in white could play out, just a larger B wave, where the B wave is a wider flat correction before we go down. But in both scenarios, I would not expect a sustained break above 35.6 cents until, well, the market has to prove it. The market has to prove it. The strong pullback that we've seen here, let's say overnight, it was yesterday, actually late yesterday, doesn't really convince me yet that the low is in. So that's the update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.